happened?
Plane crashed.
What? The plane crashed. This is terrible. What happened? We need to go. Follow me.
Oh no.
Sorry. The plane already crashed. Oh no. Follow me. Guys, all of you.
Coming.
Oh, do we have boats?
You don't feel good. I all feel so sick. Swim over to these boats.
What boats?
These boats.
Oh, those boats.
Do you know how to drive?
Figure it out. Wait for my boat.
You need to swim over and... No, swim up. You don't want to... Drown. This looks like a village. Whoa, this place is so cool, guys. I wonder if there are any people.
I'm going up this ladder.
All right. You coming?
There's a bed and a chest with a hoe. This is awesome.
This is a little bed.
I'm gonna go fishing.
We were supposed to head to our hotel, but the plane crashed. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, a bow. Arrows. I don't know how to use this. Food. Ooh. Nice. Guys, look at this. I got a bow, arrows, bread, and a stone pickaxe. Remember our stuff on the plane? We lost it all. It's gone forever. Whoa, crafting table.
There's potions. Good ones, too.
Tons of stuff. Mushrooms. This is cool.
Stuck up here.
You are?
How do I climb down the ladder?
I don't know. You just go down with your hands.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, we're not used to climbing ladders in our city. I wonder how long we'll have to stay here until we go back home. Maybe enough to just build a boat. Keep finding some wood, guys, so we can go home.
I'm also getting food. I'm getting watermelons.
Okay. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Name. That looks pretty horrible.
Gravel. This is awesome.
And bad.
Yeah. I so wish we were at our fancy hotel I paid so much money for. Oh well, that's okay. Yeah, at least I look normal. I mean, we'll be able to find some stuff when we get back home. What the? I ran in a boat. Hey. Nice things. Okay. It's time we get enough things, like enough wood and stuff, so we can start building a boat.
I can't get down the ladder.
Just climb.
I
We're
have the
not
same
used to
problems.
ladders. I know. I have the same problems too. I think we might have enough stuff to build a boat. Okay. Here with dirt, wood, and leaves.
Go down.
Don't go too far.
I found an airplane.
That's our airplane that crashed.
No, just kidding.
I'm building the boat to launch boats off. Or just like a dock so we can fish.
Ah!
What?
From the end of the ocean.
Come back!
What? Oh, don't fall off.
Come back to us.
Okay.
Oh. What's in this little chest bed? Oh, this is the one I was doing. I don't know, was it? Oh well. It's almost nighttime, guys. I see ya! I built us a small dock. So many trees. We need to get into our beds.
Coming up.
Alright.
This way. Not night. Not night.
We all need to get into beds. It's almost nighttime.
No, but it's not night.
Which house are you taking?
I'm taking the tree house.
Okay, I'll take the... Not night. Ah, only. Oh.
Nighttime.
This? Oh, it's nighttime. Nice. Alright. Hey, do any of you guys know where a fishing rod is?
Oh, here, I can give one to you.
Really? Have it? Yes. Booyah! Did I catch anything? And no.
We're doing a YouTube video.
Aw, no fish. Bummer! 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 Bummer!
I'm just gonna be scared.